What's going on, guys? It's 5:20 in the morning right now. I'm getting ready to go to our launch and I'm about to start my car and wake up all my neighbors in my apartment building. Yeah, about a half-hour drive up to the Ferrari dealership, brand new, which is sweet. Got about 80 cars showing up for this rally, and yeah, let's do this. I can't on my camera right now. I'm gonna be a nice apartment neighbor and slowly drive my car onto the street right now instead of having buildings echo my exhaust. Cause you know, it's super early and if I lived here, well, I do live here. If I was sleeping right now, I would definitely not want to be woken up by my car. We've made it to Ferrari. Pretty sick building. I can't wait to go in there and check it out. But first person here, got our catering guy down there waiting for Troy. Probably give him a call in a second and yeah, we'll get stuff moving. Well guys, that is it for the cars at the launch. I'm driving down in the morning. I have some stuff going on later tonight, so I couldn't drive down with the group today. Not a big deal. I'll see them all in the morning. Before I leave for the rally, I have done some precautionary things that I knew I would want to have in my car for this 5-hour drive. First thing being a foam cushion for my bucket seat. This seat is very comfortable, but after about hour and a half, your butt starts to hurt because the pad's pretty thin. So I got myself a super soft little foam cushion, cut to fit perfectly on my seat, so that'll come in handy tomorrow when I'm driving down in the morning. I also ended up picking up, some of these cup holders that are actually made for bicycles. Now the cool thing about these is that if I loosen this up, it'll actually slide directly onto my hydro, like so. It's hard to do with one hand. But basically, now I have cup holders. They are definitely like self-leveling. I can mount 1 and 2 on here. And yeah, my center console here has a hydro, so I lost my cup holders when we installed this. Easy solution, some Amazon little cup holders that can mount straight to the hydro, and problem solved. It's also nice because I can literally unscrew it and it comes right off, and then I have full access to the hydro. I've been running it lower so I still can grab this if I want to have some fun. I also ended up picking up one of these little Bluetooth receivers that connects to my phone, because on the E46 M3 with this configuration, the only other way is to use one of those cassette things, and it really sucks. The sound goes in and out because it's on a tape and not digital, so it really is annoying and you have to run the wire. I picked up this thing on Amazon for like maybe 10 bucks, and it has 2 USBs. I can change the song on the side, wires straight to my phone, and it sounds great. That's pretty much all the stuff I picked up to make the rally a little more comfortable. Always got to run walkie-talkies once we're down there. And yeah, I hope the group gets down there safe, and it should be a fun day for them. I'm gonna have some fun tonight, and I'll be filming again tomorrow. So thank you guys for stopping by watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the cars on the rally. There are some really cool new cars that came out this year, and I hope they continue to sign up for rallies. So with that being said, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.